Well, it might be a butterfly bush, but it seems that these little moths like it too. Now, it's been my experience that moths are not necessarily pleasant creatures to have in your garden because they tend to lay caterpillars, eggs, and then they go through and demolish everything. But seems to be an innocuous little brown fella, lady, whatever. Doesn't seem to be bothered by the camera at all. I mean, I'm within 1.5 inches of it. Oh, there's a little fly on there too. See what happens when you get things up close? You see things you never saw before.